Hey sailors, I need your help. I am looking to recreate both of these signs for a friend's birthday. She always compliments them when she comes over to my house. So the first thing I'm going to need to do is determine the perimeter of each sign that I know, so I know how much wood to buy. And next I need to determine the area so that I make sure I buy the right amount of paint. So the first thing we are going to do is look at this sign, and it's But First Coffee, of course, because you know Miss Signs. So if we're determining the perimeter, to determine the perimeter, we must do what? We must add up all of the sides. So if this is our sign, I first need to measure my sign, and I'm going to measure by inches. I'm going to put the sign right here. So it measures exactly 6 inches on one side. So I'm gonna write 6 inches on this side. And if the shape is a square, what do we know about squares? All sides are the same, yes. So if I were to double check just to make sure, yep, this side is also 6 inches. So if these two sides are equivalent, this side is 6 inches, and I should always write the unit of measurement. And if this side, if our right side is 6 inches, then our left side is 6 inches because they are equivalent sides. Also, these sides are parallel and these sides are parallel. So a square has 2 pairs of parallel sides. So in order to determine the perimeter of this sign, I'm going to have to add up 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, repeated addition, or I can say how many groups of 6? There's 4 groups of 6. So 4 groups of 6, and the perimeter would then be 24 inches. So now I know when I purchase a piece of wood, I need to purchase a piece of wood that has a total perimeter of 24 inches with 6 inches on each side. Okay, next we're going to determine the area. And we know that area equals length times width. So our area of this sign, our length, remember we go up and down, length makes an L, is 6 times our width is 6. So this sign covers 36 square inches squared. Okay, so I figured out this first sign. So I know that I need to purchase a piece of wood that has a total perimeter of 24 inches, and I know that I need enough paint to cover 36 square inches. So I need your help helping me with the next one. So our next sign looks a little bit different. Looks like this. And this is the one that I need your help on. So if we are first measuring perimeter, we have to add up all the sides. So I'm going to first draw our frame. And I'm going to measure the sides with you. So this is a rectangle, so it has 2 pairs of parallel sides, this side and the left side, so left and right and top and bottom, okay? So if we measure the right side, I'll measure the right side with you guys. The right side is exactly 5 inches. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark this with 5 inches. So if both of these sides are equivalent, if this side is 5 inches, then this side must be what? I'm not gonna tell you, you're gonna have to figure that out on your own. I'm gonna put a question mark. Okay, now I'm gonna measure the top, and the top measures exactly 1 foot. And 1 foot is equivalent to how many inches? 12 inches. So if the top measures 12 inches, what is the bottom going to measure? And how do you know? Okay, so I need your help. I need your help determining the perimeter. I'm gonna put perimeter of the rectangle and the area of rectangle. So remember, to determine the area, we are using the equation area equals length times width. Will you please do Miss Signs a favor and help me figure this out? I plan on going to the store, purchasing the wood, and creating these signs. I appreciate your help so much, guys. Bye.